morning. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. The rain has finally left the building. We've had on and off rain for about a week. Yesterday was one of the coldest evenings for a while. Tom's gone off to the supermarket. We have guests for supper this evening, but we're going to get on with some tasks that need to be completed. So we've had our pallet delivery of bricks, which we've just put in front of the entrance to the house. It's, I think, 120 bricks, which was €30, plus the sand and the cement. We want to finish the first veg bed today and also see if we can make a start on the next few. Neighbour's dog is crying. If you look at the bed from up here, it looks like it's all in straight lines. But if you look at it from down there, it looks a little wonky. Oh, hey, Sales. How you doing?
Mr. Angry. Mr. I'm upset because my papa has left me in the house.
We've also got the goat skins, which have been soaking in, I think it's salt and oxalic acid, or maybe just oxalic acid. I don't know how to say that. I believe the skins are now ready to be rinsed and then washed in a baking soda mix and then washed in detergent and then dried. And then once the skin side goes stiff and hard, we rub glycerin soap onto it. And then after that, we rub, is it neat's foot oil, which is like cow's foot, ox feet, I don't know. Anyways, we are following these steps from a YouTube video that we watched. This is the first time that we are doing this, like most other things on the farm. So far it looks like everything is going well with the goat skins. So we shall see. And if this turns out well, we have a neighbour who helps us with the goats, who also has a farm with loads of sheep and goats, and we might ask him for the skins of his sheep, because it would be great to have sort of thicker rugs. Because goat skins are nice, but they are super small and super thin. Depending on how this goes, we might get some sheepskin from him when he slaughters his sheep, because as far as we know, they just throw the skins away when they slaughter the animals. They don't keep them. Apart from that, other tasks that need to be completed. Because it's been raining, I haven't had a chance to put in the rest of the sweet corn, which I still have a couple of handfuls left. I was preparing another section of land yesterday. Unfortunately, the dogs got in the way, so I don't want to put the corn in because it looked like they were just digging the whole area up. So I need Tom to distract them in another section of the land so that I can put the corn in, which it's going to go right here. This section here has had tarpaulin on it for about a month, so the weeds are dead. And what else needs to be done? What else? Oh, we have discovered another leak in the big water mine this morning, although it doesn't seem to be making the water level drop. So, not sure if we'll bother fixing it. Where is this leak? Ah, okay, here we go. This section here. Not a huge leak. Not affecting the flow, as you can see. There is so much algae on here. As for the sweet corn, spiderweb. As for the sweet corn that I planted probably about 5 days ago now, because it's been so wet, it's probably good for it, to be fair. I can't see anything popping up out of the ground yet. It's battle time. This is my dog beating stick. If you lot ruin my corn, I will smack you. But yeah, nothing's popping up yet. It's meant to be hot again from today onwards, so hopefully we should see some kernels pop up. Oh, actually, that might be one or two. Actually, yes, it is, because there's a few. Yep, here too. Nice. Hopefully the dogs don't flatten everything out. And as for our vegetables, we have been eating quite a lot from the veg beds already. We've got some purple beans, normal green beans. We've had a few red cabbages and normal cabbage, peas and mange tout. I think some of this chard we can probably start eating as well. We've had a lot of beetroots. We've also pulled out oh my god, so many spider webs. Pulled out a row of potatoes, which I turned pretty much the whole lot into frozen chips, but we're waiting for the ground to completely dry out before getting all of them out. So we've done one row. We have about, I think, 15 or 16 rows. The garlic, I'm not too sure about. We've pulled out a few. They look fine. But again, because it keeps raining, when you pull them out, it's wet, and you really want to pull them out when they're completely dry so they don't rot. The onions, I don't think the onions are anywhere near ready, but they look like they're going to get pretty huge. Would you two quit it out? Yeah, I think that's sort of it, really. That's all for the updates. And also, some of our tomato plants are starting to get pretty tall. I usually pick off all the first flowers and fruits until the plants get tall enough up the trellises, and then I just leave it and let them start fruiting. Oh my god. Right on the veg. We are thinking about blocking off access to this veg terrace because, would you two get off the corn? Stop it. No. Yeah, because of this. A lot of the stuff that we put in are just getting destroyed. They're getting dogged. But also we want to extend the chicken run again because they have completely annihilated everything on that side. So we're thinking about putting a fence at the front here, extending the chicken run that way, so that the chickens can have access to the whole section down there, and then potentially even down the stairs. But also that means that we can put a gate here and stop the dogs from entering the veg terrace, which I didn't want to do because I feel sort of bad for them. Like, they love being down here playing when we're down here doing stuff, but it's just wasted efforts with us planting all this stuff and then them just destroying everything. So unfortunately, I think we may have to block their access to the veg terrace. Poor things, they won't be happy. Look who's hiding in their workshop once again.
What do you mean hiding? I'm here doing productive things.
What are you doing?
I'm fixing a chop saw that we were gifted, and we can then cut much wood.
A chop saw is definitely something that you don't want to use broken.
Yeah, that's true.
Imagine that blade flying out towards your face, mate.
Right, run up. Why are you so not square as well? Okay. Electrical component cleaning spray. Doesn't break anything.
Isn't that just WD-40?
No, that's WD-40. For some reason the laser line's not square, but I think it might be because you put the blade on wrong. Needs a bigger blade, but works fine.
Nice.
Perfectly acceptable chop saw. I ain't The one he bought is a lot nicer.
Well, that says Parkside on it, doesn't it? Little?
Yep. She's a little machina. Apparently there was this whole thing here where nobody had like a load of tools, and then Parkside suddenly started selling them. Everybody bought a load. Nice, bang on.
Beautiful.
So tomorrow I should just pop by Homestead, grab a new blade in the correct size, and we can use this for whatever we want. She will do the job. But you see how that doesn't go all the way to the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, it doesn't go all the way in the slot. It's just slightly too small. There's the baby blade. Give it a quick zhuzh.
Oh, it means we can chop our firewood for winter.
Yeah, with the blade on this. Yeah, probably. Cut anything up to about that thick.
So I was talking about how we have all these jobs that need to be finished. But we don't actually have the energy to do any of them. So I think we might clean the cars. The cars are filthy, especially the van. We're also planning on doing a camping trip at the beach in the van in the week, as it's going to be hot again and not raining. So we need to get the van back into living mode. Potentially we might sort the goat skins, but definitely not the veg beds. No. Don't you agree, Fenton? Don't you agree? We're just all too tired, huh? We're just all so exhausted. So exhausted. Fenton! Sorry, bud. Okay, sleepy boy.
Obviously everyone has assumed the collective positions.
So, what do you want to do first? Clean the car or do the goat skins?
Hard call. What do you fancy?
Maybe we should just get the goat skins over and done with.
Yeah, what do we need to do to them?
Rinse them and then wash in baking soda. And then rinse them again and then wash in laundry detergent. And then wash again and then we just leave them to dry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get on that then.
Yeah.
Right. As it were.
Does it stink?
No, it smells clean. Let me come and smell it. It genuinely smells like a swimming pool.
I'm not sure if I want to. I just had leftover stew.
It's-
And they gag and
you-
chunder everywhere.
But you're going to have to help me pour it.
I really shouldn't have eaten.
That was
beforehand.
stupid, yeah. Right, so we clean everything off this table because we're going to need to use the table for rinsing and move the table over there. I don't want to touch this with my bare fingers. That's got very nasty acid. Oh my god, stop being such a fanny!
Can you give me the other glove?
Yeah,
I'm trying not to gag, okay?
Mm-hmm. Just the worst of the stuff out of there. So dainty. Why got it in there, mate?
I am getting there.
Okay, the worst to start on that side. Flip her over. This way as well, we can ask George if he's got any bigger goats.
I think we ask him for when he does his sheep.
Yeah.
Because he really wants thicker ones, I think. And sheep are bigger.
Yeah, well, I mean, the other thing is these might be good for upholstery.
Yeah.
I was thinking this one's just got on the hole now, I might use the bookbinder.
Christmas gift, birthday gift.
Mm-hmm.
All family members watching. This is what you're getting for Christmas.
You're getting goat skin.
Getting goat skins.
Not anything done with them, just a goat skin. Do with it what you will.
Welcome to day 105 of
Goat tanning.
goat tanning. Maybe one by one.
Oh, that's just pretty cool to get the rinse on first.
Only a little bit of cleaning soda. I've touched much worse.
Sure you have. Ooh, she's blue.
So we have deep cleaned the van yesterday. Oof. And we are going to set it up for camping. We're planning on going on Wednesday. Today's Monday. I can't get this door open. Huh? Oh, is that where we put it? First part of getting the van ready is moving a giant plank of heavy wood as the bed frame. I'm going to need gloves for this.
I wouldn't be surprised. Doesn't seem as bad as I thought it would be.
Is it wet?
Doesn't seem so. We'll know once we get it out. That corner in there, I will lift this end and you can wheel it back. Okay. I can hold it vertical if you hold both handles. Okay. Just pull.
like going up.
Yeah.
Wait, put it down.
I can't. What do you want to do?
Put it down. This is not the best way to do this. We can just grab it and hold it up. You got it?
Yeah. Working well.
Yeah, you can get halfway up and the wheels won't move on the cooking concrete.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Got it?
Yeah.
Right, going up.
Dios mío. God, look how clean that is. Well, that went in much easier than the first time we tried to do this.
But we were much more stressed the first time.
True.
I mean, I almost feel like we should leave this in.
I mean, it's
Super useful.
the only thing is that it's heavy.
It's not that heavy compared to the weight of the van.
True.
What I would like to do, probably now actually, is put brackets on both sides of the back.
Mhm.
But this is going to be too small for us. We need the extension,
Yep.
which we've destroyed.
Well, why don't we measure out the mattress and see how much extra we need?
Yeah, sounds like a good call.
Okay, well, if we need to buy stuff, let's measure the mattress, see how much stuff we need before lunchtime.
Yeah, and then just zip up and get it.
Cool. So I'm just sitting in the van thinking about the last time that we were getting this van ready to live in it, which was about 18 months ago. And we lived in the van for 3 months in winter from January to March. It just feels very different now. It just feels very different now. Because we were scrambling last minute to go from Airbnb to Airbnb to then living in the van and then looking for the farm. And now we're willingly wanting to go camping in the van for 3 days. Yeah, just such a difference of feeling about the whole thing. And also we're actually going to get to enjoy the van now because it's summer. Living in this when it was minus degrees for 3 months was not easy. It was not an easy experience at all. But we just sucked it up because we knew what the end goal was. And so it was just sort of like, yeah, you just have to deal with it. You just have to deal with it. But yeah, I'm very excited about taking the dogs to the beach for a few days. And yeah, it'll be the first sort of, I think, break since we moved in. Since we moved to Portugal over 2 years ago. As easy as some people think our lives might be, it's definitely not. It's new problems arising, new challenges. But there is no other place we'd rather be. We've genuinely achieved quite a lot in the last 18 months. We don't really sit down and think about it, but when you do sit down and think about it, 18 months is not a long time. And to have found the farm, moved in, done all the stuff that we've done in quite a short amount of time, I think we deserve a pat on the back. Hey, bud. Oh my goodness. You want to say hello? I'm just talking to the camera, bud. You want to come say hello? So every time we do stuff out here now, the dogs think it's their time to escape. And so we just let them sort of footle outside here. They walk up the village, they go say hello to the neighbours' dogs, and then they come back. Fenton occasionally doesn't want to come back, so we have to drag him by his collar. But it's nice and hot today, so you're just enjoying yourself, huh? You excited to go to the beach? Are you excited to go to the beach?
Everybody's gonna sleep in the van. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where's my good boy? Salem is currently sleeping underneath the van. That's her cool spot. But yeah, just waiting for Tom to get back from the builder's merchants. We'll need a few bits to put this bed frame on, and I think we're going to use some benches that we have in the house to add the extra 70 centimeters that we need to be able to fit the mattress on here. Hopefully we can get this van ready to go, and then tomorrow do the last bits, and then Wednesday off to the beach. The beach! Yay! Want to get your tan on? Oh, I did not take my hay fever tablet this morning. What a beautiful view from the van, huh, bud? Look at all those mountains. Aren't you a lucky boy? Aren't you a lucky boy?
So how's your beach experience?
Well, we made a couple of things we've forgotten, really, to be honest. We've forgotten how
You need to speak louder.
What?
You need to speak louder.
Because of the wind.
Yep.
That's one of the things we forgot about with the Portuguese coast. The wind. So we're van lifing. It's just a whole thing.
You know, I think we forgot what Portuguese beaches were like
Well, Portuguese beaches on the big coast.
on the Atlantic coast.
Yeah, they're not great.
Windy, cold, even in 32-degree heat. Still cold and extra windy.
Yeah. But we are going to go and sit on it for at least an hour.
Yeah, because this is what we came for.
Came here to do.
We came here to go to the beach, so we will sit on the windy beach. And also, everywhere is no dogs allowed,
Yeah.
but we're still going to take them.
We'll take them on the beach. Nobody cares.
Are you getting PTSD from being back in the van, making
slightly.
coffee?
Yeah, making coffee in the mornings in the freezing cold. It's trauma. But on the other side, we have this nice little beer bar.
So this is a camping site, camper van site, which we found on Park for Night, the app, because Playa de Mira parking is no campers. We've put the dogs on long leashes. Where's your brother? Where's your brother? There you are. Good boy.
Good girl.
She's a bit tangled around that stick.
I think they're both tangled around the stick, which is why they have both decided to just sit down. You guys tangled? Should I put the stick here so you can chew on it? Yeah. Good job. It's also incredible the amount of stuff that one has to pack just to sleep in this van for 2 nights. The van is packed.
Absolutely full.
Absolutely full of shit.
Yeah.
But the good thing is that it's summer.
So, yeah, we don't have to insulate it like.
Yeah, we don't need to make sure that we don't die of hypothermia in the night. Oh, coffee is done. Bring out the plastic cups, the PTSD plastic cups. Also, this camping site has a restaurant right there, and they do burgers, so we're going to have a burger tonight, and then have our burgers that we've brought with us tomorrow.
Hey, oh, we could go to Laos tomorrow.
I literally was thinking that earlier, but I didn't want to say it because I didn't want to go against the purpose of us doing this whole thing just to do a beach trip with the dogs.
Well, I mean, we will have done a beach trip. We could go back to the beach tomorrow morning for a bit, have a coffee with these guys.
And then drive to Lausa in the afternoon.
Did you want to do Lausa or... Lausa was nice.
Lausa was nice. Lausa has a town, it's got supermarkets within walking distance and that nice coffee shop and a chicken place. Although actually no, we've got burgers in there, should we eat those?
Well, I mean, we can eat those at the end anyway. I mean, it's not like we're not going to eat. Where else did we park that was pleasant?
Lausa was the only one that we
Really
liked.
Yeah. That's an option.
After doing the Atlantic beaches, we're now debating going to the Algarve for a proper beach experience.
Yeah.
You know, where it's hot.
Maybe end of the year, like after the season.
Then it will be cold.
Well, I mean, September. After all, this is your birthday show. Just late. Sounds great for an egg.
After all of your complaints yesterday.
Your complaints. Oh, no, it's too cold for the beach. Oh, no, I don't feel up to it. It's such an effort to get the dogs down.
It's a lot better yesterday.
There's a lot less wind. It's very nice, gentle breeze.
Yeah. And it's actually quite warm. The dogs are happy.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad.
Not bad. We've got enough dogs to shelter to the side.
Yeah. Hook the dogs up to the boat.
Time for home.
Time for home. What do you think, guys? Do you want to go home?
The dogs are very much ready to go home. I think we are also very much ready to go home.
That was a whole experience.
I mean, the one day yesterday was good.
Yeah, the beach bit was nice.
I think I just don't like the whole camper van experience with like other camper vans.
When we...
It's a whole like community feel, which I don't feel like I'm part of that community. Like I don't enjoy life on the road.
Not life on the road, people like that. I mean, like that place where there was no one at Nazaré was really nice.
Yeah. And also the fact that you can't actually park up on the beach.
Yeah.
You have to walk to the beach.
Yeah, which sort of defeats the object, in my opinion.
Yeah. I think next time definitely make the journey, the 2.5 hours to Nazaré.
Yeah.
Because there you can just camp up, open the back door, and you have the beach.
Fully on you, which is nice.
Yeah.
Also, this area is not quite as charming.
I mean, it's nice-ish. I don't think I would come here again.
No. Maybe a day trip,
Yeah.
not to camp.
I mean, you know, we have a perfectly private river beach.
No one's ever at and has
2 minutes drive from our house,
clear water you can get in.
which I now appreciate a lot more.
Yeah, river beach is a big thing.
Yeah. Time to head home to our farm.
Yeah, good choice. Nice.
Nice.
Are you guys ready for home? You ready for home? You ready to see your goats?
You ready to see your chickens? You ready to battle Wojtek?
Yeah. Yeah, you are. You are too, huh? Yeah, everybody's ready to go home.
We wish for peace and quiet. No other nasty doggos.
Bye, beach. Bud.
Bud.
Fenton.
Where are we?
Where are we? Are we home? Is this your favorite place ever? Are you happy to be home? And Salem's under here because she overheated. Sealy whales! We're home! Oh, wait.
Oh, you locked it. Whoa, Buddington. Salem, how are you like that? Bud 1.
Yeah!
Yay! Salem 2. Oh, sweetie poos. Kitties. Meow meow.
Home time!
Home time.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah.